Yin and yang. Yin and yang is a pair of principles used to summarize the other three pairs of principles and are also the key principles in 8 principles. So other three pairs of principles are classified under either yin or yang. Exterior, heat, and excess syndromes are classified into the category of yang. Interior, cold, and deficiency syndromes fall into the category of yin. First, the yin syndrome is characterized by deficiency of yang, qi, and excess of yin in the blood. Different symptoms are shown in different yin syndromes. Sa manifestation, the yin syndrome is generalization of interior, cold, and deficiency syndrome. First, there is listlessness, lassitude, and low voice are the manifestation of deficiency syndrome. Number 2, cold form, chills in the limbs, absence of thirst, foul stools, and increased amount of clear urine are signs of exterior cold. Number 3, pale and enlarged tongue, deep and slow pulse, weak, thready, and choppy pulse indicate deficiency cold. Next, we have the yang syndrome is characterized by the hyperactivity of yang qi and hyperfunctions of sangfu organs, resulting from excessive yang heat in the body. Different symptoms are shown in different yang syndromes. Sa manifestation, the yang syndrome is a generalization of exterior heat and excess syndromes. First, there is aversion to cold and fever seen at the same time are characteristics of the exterior syndrome. Number 2, flushed face, restlessness, dry mouth, desire for drink, short micturition with dark color urine are the manifestation of the syndrome. Number 3, loud voice, rough breathing, dry stools are the symptoms of excess syndrome. Number 4, dark red tongue with yellow dry coat. The pulse may be superficial, rapid, or full and big, or rolling pulse indicate excess heat. Sa differentiation between yin and yang syndrome. Sa yin syndrome, sa inspection, it is pale or dim complexion, heaviness of the body, lying in a curled up posture, lassitude, listlessness, pale, delicate tongue, moist and slippery coating. Sa yang syndrome, there is smaller flush face, feverish, preference for cold, irritability, restlessness, dry and cracked lips, crimson tongue, yellow or stained yellow coating, even dry, cracked, or dark and turny tongue. Sa auscultation and olfaction, sa yin syndrome, there is a low voice, quietness, disinclination to talk, weak breathing, short breath. While sa yang syndrome, sonorous voice, irritability, polylogia, hoarse and asthmatic breathing, rattle in the throat, shouting, and yelling. Sa interrogation, foul stools, foul stools, loss of appetite, tastelessness in the mouth, absence of irritability and thirst, or preference for hot drinks, and increased amount of clear urine or scanty urine. While sa yang syndrome, there is dry or hard stools or constipation, stools with foul smell, no desire to eat, dry mouth, irritability, preference for drinking, yellow and scanty urine. Sa palpation, there is abdominal pain, alleviated by pressure, chills, cold feet, and deep, faint, ready, and smooth and forceless pulse. Sa yin syndrome yun. While sa yang syndrome, there is abdominal pain aggravated by pressure, warm body and feet, superficial rapid, smooth, and forceful pulse. Number 3, the collapse of yin and yang. In a critical stage of disease, yin and yang may be exhausted simultaneously. Yin humor is dried up and yang is collapsed. Both of them can no longer support each other. Such dissociation of yin and yang implies death. Conclusion, the 8 principles are the guiding principle for syndrome differentiation and treatment. Okay, sa review, exterior syndrome indicates the exterior parts of the body is affected by exogenous pathogenic factor and the disease is in its primary stage and relatively mild. Interior syndrome indicates that disease is in the interior parts of the body. Heat and cold syndromes reflect the states of yin and yang in the body. Deficiency syndrome chiefly denotes to insufficiency of health qi, while excess syndrome denotes to excess of pathogenic factors. Yin and yang is a pair of principles used to summarize the other 3 pairs of principles and are also the key principles in 8 principles.